What mattress do Holiday Inn use? If you've ever stayed at a Holiday Inn and wondered what makes their beds so comfortable, you're not alone. Let's uncover the secrets behind their mattresses. Holiday Inn carefully selects its mattresses to ensure guests have a restful night. These mattresses are typically provided by well-known brands such as Serta Simmons Bedding, Hypnos Contract Beds, and Tempur Sealy. These manufacturers are chosen for their quality and durability. The mattresses used by Holiday Inn are usually inner spring or hybrid types. These designs offer a supportive structure and comfort layers, making them ideal for a wide range of sleep preferences. They generally have a medium to medium firm feel, which is a balance that many people find comfortable. One of the key features of these mattresses is their multiple layers. They include comfort layers for cushioning and support layers to ensure proper spinal alignment. This combination helps in providing both comfort and the necessary support for a good night's sleep. Durability is another important factor. Holiday Inn mattresses are designed to withstand frequent use while maintaining their shape and support. This is crucial for hotels where the mattresses are used by many guests over time. Holiday Inn Express, which is a part of the Holiday Inn brand, also uses similar mattresses to maintain a consistent standard of comfort across its locations. Guest feedback plays a significant role in the selection of these mattresses, ensuring they meet the preferences of their guests. If you're looking to replicate the comfort of a Holiday Inn mattress at home, you might want to consider a mattress with similar characteristics. For example, the Puffy Luxe Hybrid mattress is often recommended because it uses a coil unit for its base and combines it with comfort layers of memory foam, similar to the mattresses used by Holiday Inn. In summary, Holiday Inn's comfortable sleep experience is largely due to their carefully selected mattresses from reputable brands like Serta Simmons Bedding, Hypnos Contract Beds, and Tempur Sealy, which offer a perfect balance of support, comfort, and durability.